how you can transfer your SweetCoin money to CashApp. So without any further ado, let's get started with this video. So there are a few steps that you have to follow. First of all, in your device, go ahead and open the SweetCoin application, which will look like this as shown in this interface. After you open that up, you will see a menu bar in your interface, and on that menu bar, tap on the shopping bag icon. Now after you do that, tap on PayPal or Amazon Reward. This will open that specific offer and instructions to purchase. Now, the next step will be how to claim. You have to read all the details given here. All the offers will have this section, and this offer will have different ways to claim. First of all, follow the instruction listed in your how to claim section of the offer, and you will need to access your email to continue. So follow these steps under how to claim. And once you're done with that, simply tap on buy, which is located under the offers image at the top of your screen, and list the SweetCoin price. This will redeem all your SweetCoins and send you cash after you follow the steps listed in how to claim. So by following all these steps, you can transfer your SweetCoin to CashApp. That's all for today's video, and I hope this video was helpful. If you are new to our channel, make sure to subscribe and do not forget to like, comment and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching till the end. I will see you on next video.